What letter is this? A. Very good. Next. What letter is this? No?
Wow.
B. Very good. What letter is this? No? C. Very good. That one? What letter is that? H. Very good. What letter is that? Oh, very good. What letter is this? Sam, what letter is this? W. Very good. What do you call this fruit? This one? Mango. Very good. What do you call this fruit, oh? Oh, what do you call this fruit? Apple. Very good.